How to stop Roblox crashing. So if your Roblox is crashing all of a sudden, and there is no error displaying, let me show you what you can do to fix this. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. First, what you can do is to restart your device. For some reason, your device might be full of using the RAM or memory. So do a quick reboot just to freshen up the CPU and try again if you can open the Roblox. If it still does not work, what you can do is right click on the Roblox application and run it as administrator. Running it using the administrator is worth the try. Third thing that you can do is reinstalling your Roblox. So how you can do it is by going to your search bar and look for apps and features. Then search for Roblox, then just uninstall the app on your computer. Go to the Roblox page, open up a game, and press the play button to download the installer. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it up and follow the installation process. This should work since your Roblox just got a fresh file and the errors might be deleted now. If it still does not work, right-click again on Roblox application and this time select the properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. What this will do is detect an issue regarding the application if there are corrupted files or error on your compatibility with the device. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.